trying to log into Telegram, but the verification code just never shows up. Or maybe the app keeps throwing login errors even though your internet is working perfectly fine. Well, don't worry, you are not the only one facing this issue, and thankfully there are a few fixes that solve it in minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and without wasting a minute, let's get started. Method 1 is manually select your mobile network. Now before you start uninstalling apps or changing random settings, let's begin with one of the most effective fixes that surprisingly a lot of people ignore, which is manually selecting your mobile network. Sometimes your phone fails to properly register with your mobile carrier, and because of that, Telegram cannot send or receive the verification code correctly. Here is what you need to do. Open your phone setting and go to mobile network or SIM settings. Now tap on network selection and turn off select automatically. Your device will start scanning for available networks. Once the list appears, manually select your carrier. What this basically does is force your phone to reconnect properly with the network tower. After doing this, go back to Telegram and request the verification code again. And honestly, for many users, the issue gets fixed right here. Method 2 is use Telegram X instead. Now, if the regular Telegram app still refuses to cooperate, there is another trick that works surprisingly well. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store. Now search for Telegram X and install it. Once it's installed, open the app. Now enter your phone number and request the verification code again. Now you might be wondering, why would this work? Well, sometimes the main Telegram app experiences temporary glitches or login bugs, while Telegram X uses a slightly different backend experience that bypasses those issues completely. Method 3 is refresh your internet connection. Even your Wi-Fi icon looks full, your connection might still be unstable in the background. And Telegram is very sensitive when it comes to authentication requests. Here is a quick network refresh routine you should try. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. Turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds. Then turn it back off and finally restart your phone. This refreshes your device network components and clears temporary connectivity bugs that can interrupt Telegram's login process. Once your internet stabilizes, try requesting the code again. You would be surprised how often this tiny reset fixes major login headaches. Method 4. Update Telegram immediately. Here is something most people forget. Outdated apps create weird problems. If your Telegram app has not been updated in a while, there is a good chance you are dealing with an old bug that's already been fixed in the latest version. So open the Play Store or App Store. Now search for Telegram and check if an update is available. If you see an update there, tap on it immediately. Once the update finishes, reopen Telegram and try signing in again. This step is quick, easy, and honestly something you should do regularly anyway. Method 5 is turn off VPN or Proxy. Now this next fix is especially important for users who use VPN apps all the time. VPNs and proxy servers can sometimes interfere with Telegram servers and block verification requests completely. So first disable any active VPN on your phone. Then open Telegram and go to Settings. Now click on Data and Storage. Now click on Proxy settings. If Proxy is enabled, turn it off. And after that, restart the app and try logging in again. A lot of users don't even realize their VPN is the actual reason Telegram is not working properly. Method 6 is clear Telegram cache. If Telegram keeps freezing, loading endlessly, or behaving strangely during login, corrupted cache files might be the reason. Thankfully, fixing this is pretty simple. On iOS, open Settings, then go to General. Now select iPhone Storage. Now find Telegram and tap on it. Then tap on Offload app. After offloading, tap on Reinstall the app. This removes temporary junk files without affecting your chats or account data. Once done, reopen Telegram and try logging in again. If you have tried everything and the issue still continues after 72 hours, it's the time to contact Telegram support directly. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully one of these methods helped you to fix your Telegram login issue and get back into your account without any stress. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Get Assist, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful tech guides like this one. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.